Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 10th March 2025, Nifty Index opened flattish, and after a good move in the first tick, it touched 22,633 marks and witnessed some profit booking during midday. It witnessed some recovery and range-bound move for the rest of the day and finally closed above 22,550 marks. Nifty has recovered by 670 points in the last 4 trading sessions, which has been a breather. It formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the daily frame and a bullish candle on the weekly frame with longer lower shadow, indicating support-based buying is intact for the short-term recovery. India VIX was down by around 2% to 13.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly decreased to 1.08. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,000 to 23,000. While immediate range could be in between 22,300 to 22,700 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,035 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,320 crores. FII's index long-short ratio remains same at 18.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 22,450 for an up move towards 22,900 levels, while support can be seen at 22,250. Talking about Bank Nifty, this index has to hold above 48,500 for a bounce towards 49,000 levels, while support can be seen at 48,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in IRFC, Reliance, Apollo Tyres, Manappuram Finance, Berger Paint, Godrej Consumer Products, Hindalco, and Nalco. While some weakness could be seen in Zomato, OFSS, Jubilant FoodWorks, Paytm, Nykaa, and Lodha. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarla signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.